Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, that is AirTech. Hope you all are having a fantastic day. Let us begin with our today's video. So our today's video is going to be very interesting and important. The reason is going to be very simple because we are going to discuss one of the most important point, that is toxic managers and toxic team leads in the IT industry. So if you are working at any of the following companies such as TCS, Infosys, Wipro, Capgemini, Cognizant, Accenture and whatnot, this video is going to be very important for all of you. So please watch this video till the very end and try to understand each and every point that we are going to explain in our today's video. So we are also going to share one of the email that was written by an employee working in the service-based IT company to the project manager and the team lead, explaining what are the issues, what is the harassment that he has been or she has been facing. Okay. We are also going to discuss about the unrealistic expectations by the managers. So without wasting any more time, let us move forward. But before moving forward, I have a small humble request. Guys, please subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can get regular updates about the videos that we post online. And it will also motivate us to make more such informative videos for all of you guys. Okay, so let us move forward. Now to the number one thing is that if you are lucky enough, you might get into a project where the project manager or the team lead are very good. They are cooperative, they are helpful and a lot of other things. But 50% of the people will not get good managers. They will be getting the word called as toxic managers. Okay, wherein the managers are only wanting the team to complete the project or the delivery or whatever it is, deployment of the project or development or even some other things, right? Completing the tasks on time, right? But what they expect is that you should complete it in half of the time. So even if you are getting required, it is required to get the project done in like 10 days. This is just an example. They are expecting you to complete it in 7 to 8 days. Why? Because they can go to their managers and they can tell them that I have completed this project in the less time. Okay, I've completed this project in 7 days, not in 10 days. So I should get a good appraisal, I should get a good raise. But they don't know that they are putting a lot of pressure and they're putting a lot of force on the team members, because which they are not able to perform. Okay, and the second important thing is that even if you go and try to complain to your manager's manager, then that is again a very big issue, because what will happen, the manager will be having the discussion with the senior manager. Okay, the senior manager will be scolding or giving some notifications to the your manager, right? And then eventually what will happen, that will come again down the line. Okay, and your project manager will be again like raising some concerns against you, that you are not efficient, you are not completing work on time, you are not active. Okay, all these things might happen, and this is like we have seen this happening. Okay, so this is a very common malpractice that happens in the IT companies. Okay, now let us discuss about the email that was written by one of the employees. Okay, so this is going very viral. Okay, right now let me just turn on the pointer so that I can point out the things. Okay, so here you can see that apologies, delivery target not achieved. Okay, so this was a daily target maybe, or the weekly target that was not achieved, as was busy writing the goodbye email. So this person has written a goodbye email to the manager and the technical lead. So here you can see that hope you both are well and good. So I thought of saying goodbye to you. Unfortunately, we didn't meet today as you are not there. Strange, but I did guess and expected this, but no problem. Fine with me. I do understand. So I thought of saying goodbye to you via email. It was not at all pleasurable for me to work with you, Ravi Kumar something, and the team lead. Okay, I never wanted to say this. More wanted to leave. Never wanted to leave this organization at bad terms. But now I would all have them. You decided to cross all your limits as a manager. A good manager is the one who is people's manager, and you definitely not one. Working with you was like I'm going through the second class torture. Okay, third class torture, sorry. The work environment which you created is of Hitler's race, and the way you wanted me to work for you was definitely not a good, pleasant, okay, or ethical or professional one. So this is one of the like employee who is asking, who is telling the manager how was the manager, okay, how was the atmosphere working along with them. Throughout my 7 years of experience, both of these guys, you both are the only one, okay, who is one making me experience the worst phase of my resignation period. Okay, congrats, at least you are standing out and came in first. Okay, so here you can see you have accused me that I provoke and influence people, which I never did and will never accept the like this remarks of yours towards me. Okay, so what are the things that that manager has done? Asking me to stay back after every team hurdle. Okay, and then shouting at me, mailing me, tagging me, nagging me. Okay, like no stones unturned. Okay, so addressing me in team hurdle as those who are on notice period. So this happens a lot. Okay, personally I have seen this happening. Accusing me of the behavior and reaction I am provoking others. talking to me rudely, arrogantly, yelling, unprofessional and unethical. Okay, tu ye, tu wo, tu aise. Okay, forcing me to not talk to people in the team and asking me to push people away when they are talking to me and having lunch, breakfast, or etc. Okay, you literally did ask the people to go away from my seat to whom I was talking and mocking me in front of them. Such is unhealthy or sick work environment. So okay, so what that person is saying, if I would have been a good influencer, have influenced someone or provoking people on the floor, then I would have made sure that you receive more resignations on your face. So this is what the person is saying, that this person is not and like not happy with the project manager, because the project manager is very toxic. Like the manager is so toxic that he has been like binge watching the candidate who has put the resignation, and he was just checking after every like hour or after every like 30 minutes, 20 minutes, what the person is doing, how it is doing. Like he or she, like both of them, okay, both of these managers and team lead, they are simply telling others to stay away from this, because this person, because they might provoke or influence the other team members and ask them to resign as well. So these are the things that are happening in the IT industry, right? So one more thing that happens usually is that they have unrealistic expectations. Okay, as I already mentioned, right? So if the project is to be completed, suppose in 10 days or 100 days, okay, they want it to be completed in like 50 days, 70 days, so that they can go to their like senior managers, senior top management, okay, and they can ask for good appraisal, they can ask for good raise, they can ask for on-site opportunities and whatnot. And trust me guys, this definitely happens. So what happens is, basically they might have some kind of pressure, definitely they might also have some kind of pressure, but majorly it is up to the manager. So like, do they want to transfer it to the lower team or the team under them, or should they uphold it and they do not pass on the like the scolding or anything for that matter that comes to them? Okay, so a good manager is a people's manager. Okay, it is not the person who like gives random responsibilities to anyone and do not look upon and simply go back like back and come to them every like 30 minutes, 20 minutes and ask for what is the update, what is the update. Okay, so that is not a good thing. Definitely we need good project managers, we need good delivery managers as well. Okay, so this is the thing that I wanted to discuss with all of you guys. Do let us know in the comment section if you are facing, if you're having some kind of toxic project manager or toxic team lead. That will be really helpful for us. Okay guys, I hope that this video was helpful. I hope that you comment down in the comment section below what are your experiences with good project managers or even bad project managers. Do let us know in the comment section whether you are having a good manager right now or a very bad toxic manager. Okay guys, I hope that you like this video and share it with all of your friends, so we can spread awareness about all these toxic managers and what we can do like along with them. Okay, I hope that this video was helpful. Thank you for watching this entire video guys. Hope you all have a great day.